Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, I am Alice and you're welcome to this channel. To my returning subscribers, you guys are the best. So guys, in this video I'm going to be relaxing my hair, and my hair is currently 4-month post relaxer. So I'm going to be relaxing it a night before this video. I already prepped my hair. I applied my oil all over the hair strand to protect it from overlapping of the relaxer. So I just went over to do the usual, applying cream around the section of my scalp. And initially in my community tab, I said I was going to go to the relaxer to relax my hair. I said I was going to the hair salon to relax my hair, but I couldn't because there were so many things on my head preparing for school here and there, so I couldn't go to the hair salon to relax it. So I allowed my auntie in the house to help me relax the hair, and she did it as I wanted it. I told her how I wanted it and she did it for me, and I was really in love with it because the outcome came out really nice, really nice. So before I started the relaxer, before she started applying it, I already set my time. I can't remember, but I know I set the time. I think 25 or 30 minutes was what I used. Yeah, I didn't exceed 30 minutes this time around because of my experience from my lax relaxer. So this is it. I had to wait for the time I set. It wasn't over when she finished smoothing the relaxer, so I had to wait for the remaining time. Time to wash it off, and I went over to the bathroom to wash it off. I was just feeling it to see if the hair really did relax, and it actually did. I mean, better than the previous one. Yeah, I'd say. So I washed it off, and this is how it looked. Oh my god, like the hair really tried this time. I would say, I mean, not 100%. So I went over with my neutralizing shampoo to wash it off. So whenever you are washing this for the first time after washing of the relaxer, you notice that the shampoo is going to turn pink, which means that was what I was actually checking here. It means that the relaxer has not been properly washed off from the hair. So you just have to continue washing the hair until your shampoo starts showing white ladder. Then you know that the relaxer has properly washed. The relaxer has been properly washed out of the hair. So this was the first shampoo, no much lather, but I washed it 3 times with the shampoo before I went over with my conditioner. And this time I didn't use my regular conditioner because baby girl, like I said, I've been preparing to go back to school, so I already packaged all my things and the conditioner was not available, so I had to make use of my uncle's wife conditioner to condition the hair after properly washing the hair with the shampoo. Yeah, so I didn't deep condition on this particular relaxer day, so it was just all over the place. So, and I really needed to really relax the hair because I was struggling with the hair. Like the new growth was too much and it was too difficult to handle, so I just couldn't wait enough. Like I didn't have that patience to go to the salon to relax it, so I just had to do it. I needed that freedom, please. So this is the conditioner I made use of, and yeah, that was how I did on the relaxer day. So this is the hair after properly washing it with the conditioner. So I allowed it to hair dry. I made use of my leave-in strengthener, Mega Growth leave-in strengthener, and my clove oil with shea butter to moisturize it and allow it to hair dry properly. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you are yet to subscribe. Guys, can you see the outcome of this hair? Oh my god, like the rate at which my hair is getting thick. Honestly, the clove oil, since I've incorporated clove oil into my regimen, it has, I don't know, I don't just know how to explain this thing. The rate at which my hair is getting thick, oh my god, I don't know, I don't just know. What's left for me right now is to trim the ends of my hair because the ends are looking really bad, and it's almost a year now since I trimmed my hair. So in the next video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I flat iron my hair. So stay tuned, make sure you don't go anywhere. I'll see you guys in my next video. For now, bye.